In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make truffle oil in Stardew Valley. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Truffle oil is an artisan good that you will be able to craft and make in the oil maker from one truffle. So first, you will need to acquire the oil maker. As you can see on screen, the recipe source for the oil maker is unlocked when you reach farming level 8. You will be able to craft one oil maker by using 50 slime, 20 hardwood, and 1 gold bar. Inside of the oil maker, you will be able to craft truffle oil from individual truffles or all-purpose cooking oil, as you can see over here, by using corn, sunflower seeds, or just sunflowers. It will take 6 hours for you to make one truffle oil, and it has the selling price of 1,065 gold. It has different usages. You can give it to people, but you can also use it to make a rain totem. As long as you include one truffle in the oil maker, you will be able to craft as many truffle oil as you need. So all you have to do is first reach farming level 8, make an oil maker, and then transform your truffles into truffle oil. I hope I was able to help you on how to make truffle oil in Stardew Valley. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.